This 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen F368 RLBHK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 9, LP detector, awning, water heater, TV, CO detector, slideout, stovetop burner, DVD player, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen F368 RLBHK is 10,924 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.